Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest in gear to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving deep into the Carhartt men's 6-inch waterproof wedge soft-toe work boots. These boots have been making waves in the workwear community, touted as some of the best mock-toe work boots on the market. Stick around as we break down what makes them stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk construction. These Carhartt boots feature a black oil-tanned leather upper, which not only gives them a rugged look but also enhances durability. They're built tough with Goodyear welt construction and a slip-resistant dual-density rubber outsole. So, whether you're navigating slippery surfaces or rough terrain, these boots provide solid traction and stability. Comfort is key when you're on your feet all day, and Carhartt delivers here too. Inside, you'll find PU cushion insoles supported by a PU strobel pad, ensuring all-day comfort without compromising on support. The fast, dry, breathable lining keeps your feet dry by wicking away moisture, while the Storm Defender waterproof membrane ensures your feet stay dry even in wet conditions. It's a winning combination for those who need reliable protection and comfort. Fit is always a concern when buying footwear online. These boots come in a variety of sizes to suit different foot shapes and preferences. It's recommended to check Carhartt's size chart to find your perfect fit. Many users find these boots true to size, but it never hurts to double-check before ordering. Versatility is another strong suit of these Carhartt boots. They aren't just for heavy-duty work environments. Their classic design also makes them suitable for casual wear. Whether you're on the job site, hiking trails, or just running errands around town, these boots blend style with functionality seamlessly. Now, let's touch on what users are saying. Many have praised the boots for their durability and comfort, noting how they hold up well over time. The slip-resistant outsole gets a lot of love for providing reliable grip. And the waterproof feature is a game-changer for those working in wet conditions. Overall, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, reinforcing the reputation of these boots as a solid investment. Wrapping it up, the Carhartt men's 6-inch waterproof wedge soft-toe work boots live up to their reputation as one of the best mock-toe work boots out there. From their robust construction to their all-day comfort and versatile design, they're a solid choice for anyone in need of reliable footwear. If you're in the market for work boots that blend durability with style, these definitely deserve a spot on your shortlist. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques like this one. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.